Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable VPN with fast servers, strong privacy, and multiple protocol options for secure and unlimited browsing, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm introducing MH Tunnel VPN, a powerful VPN app that supports various configurations and helps you stay anonymous online. So let's get started step by step. First, open your preferred web browser like Chrome. In the search bar, type in SSH/SSL and hit enter. From the search results, locate and tap on the official SSH/SSL Tunnel website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner for the menu icon and tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the option labeled Free VPN. Now you'll be directed to the Free VPN section where you'll see a list of different VPNs. Scroll down until you find MH Tunnel VPN. Tap on the MH Tunnel VPN option and then tap the Install button. This will start downloading the app to your device. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few minutes to finish installing. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch MH Tunnel VPN. The app may prompt you to allow notifications. You can choose to allow or deny them depending on your preference. After that, you'll be taken to the home screen of the app. Make sure you're connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi, as the app will now update its servers. Wait patiently as MH Tunnel VPN loads its latest server list and restarts automatically. On the home screen, you'll notice that the VPN interface has two main sections, one for server selection and the other for protocol settings. To select a server, tap on the server list. You'll see servers from different countries. Choose any server based on your needs, fastest speed, specific region, or best connectivity. Next, move on to the Tweaks section. Tap the Tweaks button and you'll see a list of built-in protocols and tweaks. Scroll through the list and choose one that suits your needs. You can also set up a custom tweak. To do this, enter a name, select the protocol type, and add an SNI if you're using SSL. You can experiment with different settings to see what works best for you. After setting everything up, go back to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap it to connect MH Tunnel VPN. Within a few seconds, you'll be securely connected to the internet through your chosen server and configuration. That's it for today's tutorial on MH Tunnel VPN. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides. Got questions or need help? Drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.